Jamie's feeding himself yogurt. 13.5 months. And Henry's feeding himself yogurt. Is that funny, funny, funny?
Find the second Mario out of the spoon.
You're just licking it out of the spoon? Are you messy face? A little bit. Here, let me see your tattoo on your neck. Cool tattoo. And your arm too? What you got on your arm? A pirate? Cool. Oh! Stop! Don't do that! Hee hee.